Official images of the Ja Morant X Nike Air Force 1 Premium in white and metallic silver have appeared, offering an early glimpse of a potential NBA All-Star Weekend release. The reveal coincides with the Swarovski X Nike Ja 3, hinting at a coordinated mid-season launch. The Air Force 1 low silhouette remains largely unchanged, featuring a smooth white leather upper enhanced with a subtle iridescent finish that shifts under light. Metallic silver accents appear on the swoosh and select details, providing understated contrast. Ja Morant branding is incorporated discreetly, including a debossed logo on the heel and personalized elements throughout the design. The premium label emphasizes material quality rather than major structural changes, maintaining the shoe's everyday wearability. Nike has not confirmed an exact release date, but the timing of the official imagery suggests availability during All-Star Weekend. Retail is expected around $150. Keep an eye out for official announcements and retailer updates for the latest information on this upcoming release.